In this video, you will learn how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive.
First, open your browser and type download Windows 11. Then click the link to Microsoft website. Under the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section, click the Download Now button. Click the downloaded file. Click the Accept button, then Next. Select the USB flash drive option, then click Next. Select your USB flash drive from the list, and ensure it does not have any important files, as this process will erase everything on it. Click Next. Once the USB flash drive is ready, click Finish and you can use your bootable USB drive to install Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.